Hello everyone, my name is Prerna and I am from wisdomjobs.com. Today we are here to talk about cover letter. What is a cover letter? Technically defining, a cover letter is only a single page letter that should be a part of any job application. So, your cover letter should showcase your intentions, qualifications and availability to the employer in a right format. Meanwhile, your resume provides the details such as employment history and education. But here, your cover letter makes you stand apart from thousands of job applicants when you're applying for jobs. Attaching a cover letter with your resume presents yourself as the right applicant for this job position. A cover letter would bring the resume in perfect sync with the job requirements. It demonstrates the skills and knowledge required for the job you have applied. Make sure that you have checked your resume and cover letter before you are sending to the prospective employer. If you are willing to relocate, then mention about it beforehand and give him the space to make arrangements. If the employer allows, mention your current income and set the stage for a healthy negotiation to receive the right remuneration. Make sure that you have proofread your cover letter for errors. Give your cover letter a unique visual format, but make sure that the unique format you use is appropriate for the company you are applying to and their industry. One thing that's very important to not write too much. Keep your letter focused, concise and a few paragraphs in length. I would say that end your letter with a reason for them to contact you. Before turning it up, for more videos, you can log on to wisdomjobs.com or you can click the link below. Thank you.